right here. Some weeding. Bunch of weeds over here. Took a hand to them. Dug them out. Some more weeds over here. Try to spray some weed killer on these bad boys. Doesn't really look like much is going on. This is the second day. Sprayed it 2 days already. Here are these desert. Here we go though. Got these fun guys over here. Shall we check them out? Some action. They're flying all around town. You guys. Gonna get you. Some gear action. Got a shoehorn, smack them around, you know. Got this spray. Probably not even use this. There's barely anything in it. Insect. Gloves, protect yourself. Shoes, pants. Some pole. Little pole action. Got the mask so they don't try to run up my throat and choke me. Got the hooded sweater. And probably just gonna use this hose. It's probably the main character here. It's probably gonna do it right there. You know what I mean? Got the action right there. Just shoot them up. Pop, pop. Got that right there. Got that thing right there. Pop. You know, with the water power. Just get at them. And just, I don't know. I guess that's the plan. Throw it in a bag or something. looking for this. Where the heck did it go? Sorry, buddy, get out of here. Yeah, out here. That's it. Some wasps. No more wasp. Gotta make sure it's wasp, because can't be killing certain bee species. Just can't do that. We need the bees. But these yellow guys, yellow jackets, wasps, yellow and blacks, got them. See you later, guys and gals, babies, the whole house. Ciao. Splat. Gotta get them. They're gonna rebuild. Can't let them happen. Get them with the vans.